In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make PPT on Gamma AE. Let's walk through the process from first click to final export so you can build a polished presentation quickly and confidently. Start by opening your browser and heading to gamma.app. On the homepage, select Sign Up or Log In. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Click Create New to begin a fresh project. This is your starting gate, and everything else builds from here. You'll be asked how you want to start. You can generate with AI, begin from a blank canvas, or pick a template. For speed and a strong first draft, choose Generate with AI. It gives you a complete outline and initial content you can refine instead of writing everything from scratch. Next, enter your topic into the prompt box. You might type something like marketing strategy for small business or social media tips for beginners. Aim to be clear and specific so the system understands your intent. When you're ready, click Generate. In a few moments, Gamma will assemble slides with headlines, talking points, and structure tailored to your prompt. Now review and edit. Click any slide to adjust the text, tighten language, or add your own examples. You can add or remove sections as needed and rearrange slides by dragging them into the best order. Keep each slide focused on one main idea to maintain clarity, and scan for accuracy and tone so everything matches your voice. Move on to design. Change the theme or style, then fine-tune colors and fonts for readability. Add images, icons, or videos to support your message and break up dense text. Gamma keeps layouts clean and modern, but still take a moment to check contrast and font size so your content is easy to read on any screen. If you need more material, click Add Card to insert new text, images, videos, charts, or even embedded links and websites. Use consistent visuals and spacing so new pieces feel cohesive with what's already there. To quickly improve wording, highlight any text and open the AI options. You can have Gamma rewrite for a new tone, expand to add detail, or simplify to make complex points more accessible. Accept what helps and keep your authentic voice where it matters. When you're ready to show your work, click Present for full screen slideshow mode. If you need to collaborate or share asynchronously, click Share to send a link and invite others. Finally, export your presentation as a PDF or a PPT file, or share via link if you want updates to reflect automatically. That's it, your Gamma-powered presentation is ready to go.